friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Toodles from Dandy's World. So first we're going to get started with our eyes. So on the left hand side, we're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle for our left eye. And then as we move over on the right, leaving a small gap, let's just replicate that, drawing that at the same size. Now let's move over towards the middle, and we're going to start by drawing in another circle for the pupil of the eye. And then we'll move over to our left eye and replicate that. On the top now, we're going to draw two small diagonal lines that come out for the eyelashes. In the middle, for the mouth, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And now let's close this off on the bottom with a curved line, arching that around, and then back in on the right. Now above, let's draw in a circle. So connecting the eyes together, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right for the bottom of the circle. Coming up on the left-hand side above our eye now, we're going to curve this line all the way around, and then back in on the right. Now let's draw in the number 8 in the middle. So on the top, we're going to draw in a small circle, and then leaving a small gap moving down on the bottom. Let's replicate that again. Now on the outside in the middle, we're going to curve this line around, and then in on the right. And then starting back in the center again, we're going to curve this line around, and then back up and in. Now for the head, we're just going to draw in a nice big circle. So on the top, we're going to start by curving this line around, curving our wrist, bringing this all the way around and then down on the side. And then starting back on the center line on the top, we're going to continue this on the right, curving this line around, and then down, back in on the right. On the left-hand side now, we're going to continue to curve our circle all the way around, and then in towards the middle, bringing that underneath the mouth. And then starting back on the right-hand side again, we're just going to again curve this line back around, and then in, blending that together. Now let's draw in the cheeks. So on the top, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then continuing that underneath, we're just going to curve this line back around and then in. Now in the middle, let's draw in the dress. So on both sides, we're going to curve this line around and then out towards the side. And then we'll close this off on the bottom with a curved line from left to right, bringing that all the way around and then up. Moving up on the top now, again, we're going to curve this line around and then out. Moving underneath, we're going to draw in two circles. On both circles now on the top, we're going to draw in two lines that come up towards the top. Now let's draw in our right arm. So underneath, we're going to bring this diagonal line out on both sides. For the thumb, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then moving underneath that again for the rest of the hand, we're going to arch this line around and then up. Now for the legs, in the middle, we're going to draw in two straight lines that come down towards the bottom. Moving further out again, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out. And then from that point on the top, just curving this line around and then in. And then we're going to close off the rest of the foot on the bottom by drawing in a curved line from left to right. And that is it. That's how you draw Toodles from Dandy's World. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.